Here is my first month as a representative of computer laboratory. The students were doing ANBK Gladi Bersih for some hours that divided into two sessions. It is controlled by Mr. Adenan, Mr. Mahalil, Mr. etc. Mr. Mahzari, and etc. Yeah, that's all. I hope it runs well.
Masih kayaknya. Oke. Ay, natamaya ako to dahil yung
Oke, malu.
ANBK hari pertama Senin. Dua komputer yang bermasalah, tak bisa login. Satu lagi bermasalah.
Ini ya.
Bisa?
Enggak mau.
Nggak mau juga?
Oh, dia Rahmat mana?
Ayo mau minta kan? Iya, betul.